Since ChatGPT was created, which is by many undisputed king of AI agents, we could find many others, like DeepSeek, ZyChat or Gemini, but by my opinion, this one threatens them all, both by friendly interface and services. It's extremely powerful tool that can make both your everyday life and your work much easier. And you can use Skywork both through online app, through Windows desktop application and through Android application. You can split your work into projects, like I'm going to create one now. Let's go with general. Please summarize economic potential of countries of Central and Eastern Europe. And we have our answer. I'm going to click on it. We have entire report. Based on provided study, compare economic power of Poland and Czech Republic. Let's see what we are going to get now. Let's see. Now let me check slides. Make slides of every Central and Eastern European country with GDP, GDP per capita and some major economic info. Alright, let's check. Actually, it works quite nice. Let's see about images. Alright, let's try with something like this. Make me a country ball family with all Central and Eastern European countries in regards of economy. I'm interested to see how this is going to look. Hey, check this out. Yeah, I actually like it. It works quite well. Alright, I'm going to navigate back now. If you want to upload some of your own documents in order to use it as a knowledge base, you have this second button on the left tab. Click on it. And in here you can upload whatever you want. And this is really interesting feature. Let's go to notes. Notes are actually very handy. You can easily create new note, and syntax is very similar to Markdown. I'm going to name it. And if you want to use this note in order to refer your project, you can do that very easily. You can connect it with project. And let's check only this part, economic potential of Central and Eastern Europe. I'm going to confirm. Well, in here you can connect more projects if you want. I don't want to do that. And I'm just going to save this note to my knowledge base. You can create new folder or just use the root of this knowledge base. I'm going to click on confirm. Wonderful. Let's go to knowledge base and I have my first note in here. With these three dots, we can create new projects from here. We can download it, rename it, move it, and we can actually ask a question based on content of this note. To get back, these other features like chat, sheets, websites and videos you're going to be able to use after upgrade to paid services. For now we are just limited to these free features. And now I'm going to transfer you to my Windows machine in order to show you how Skywork desktop application works. Alright, I'm going to install it now. I'm going to launch it. Alright, I'm going to log in now. Alright, I'm in. Aside, you can see a top of different tools that you can use with Skywork. For example, with utilities, you can install all of these apps. Then let's see with travels, event planner, what should you do, and many other. Media entertainment. Let's see about notes and knowledge. We can integrate Obsidian and Notebook. We can also use it in order to send and receive email. You can integrate with Outlook, Slack, Discord, Agent Mail. Let's see what documents it supports. DocX, PDF, Excel 2. Let's see what is in popular category. Basically, you can integrate it easily with most of the most popular services nowadays. Now I'm going to check work in folder. I'm going to create my workspace. No, I don't want to be in documents. Let's go to Drive D. Skywork. So I want to store everything in here. To select this folder. Okay, I'm going to choose all of Balkan countries. It asks me whether I want a PDF report. Okay, I want it. Let's go with general economic output. Okay, let's submit. Alright, it's done. By the way, Skywork with desktop application works usually in hybrid mode. That means that uses both your local resources and cloud resources. And now let's check the result of this process. So Balkan economic comparison. We have 4 pages. Wealth and living standard, economic growth projection. What else we have? GDP growth and GDP per capita. And now I want to check something else. Go to Notice and Knowledge and install Obsidian. Okay, it's installed, and now what I want. Create Obsidian nodes based on this research. Absolutely awesome. Let me check this. Skywork, Workspace, Balkan Economic Research. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm going to navigate to Obsidian. I'm going to open folder as Vault. Let me find that. First I want to open tree. Yeah, it's quite simple, so I'm going to check on summary first. And in here I have links towards every country. Let's get back. What about assets? Those are images. So guys, as you can see, integration works quite well, so I'm definitely giving thumbs up for this tool. Nonetheless, with comparison with other AI agents, ChatGPT is still my favorite. But in regards of research, analytical reporting and integration with other apps, Skywork is definitely one of the best things I saw in last few years. But by my opinion, how it stands in comparison to ChatGPT in regards of quality, everyday use and so. What I value with ChatGPT, its friendliness of the agent itself. It sounds almost like you are talking with your best friend. Skywork on the other side, it's awesome tool too. But when you are using it, it's more like having conversation with a lawyer or with accountant. So I guess if you are choosing between these two agents, mostly depends on your preferences and needs, than on quality itself. So guys, that would be all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe, see ya!